These are the elliptas, and I've done multiple videos, but I'm going to teach you this in a few seconds. All it is it has a counter there. These are called the elliptas. They're very simple, okay? They're once a day, so many people like them. There's many kinds of inhalers that come like this. There's at least 3 that I know of that I can recall at the top of my head right now. But just remember that when you're using this, you must make sure you have enough in there. It counts backwards, okay? When it's 0, it's 0. You don't have any. But when you have some, all you do is you slide this down. Make sure you don't tip it over because it's powder in this one. And if you tip it over, you're going to waste your sample. And that counter went down. I know it's opposite for you. And then you're going to exhale. Same thing. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Count to 10. You got it? That's all it is. I wish you all the best. And please make sure you use your inhaler. If it's once a day, usually these are. It's once a day. Don't use it twice a day, and don't use it as relief. And some of these medications, if you don't use them, then they don't give you full effect. So please don't use them as needed, as daily, and vice versa. You need to use them as instructed. Please take care.